Well, we got a Buddhist temple. You gotta be quiet because they're not praying, see?
Hey, yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Oh, yeah, I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Okay, hey, yeah, ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra. Fuck with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the islands. We up on the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom, boom. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on to the next. Fuck this up, I send you back to your ex. But good luck with that, this is big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever. Yeah, oh shit, they don't let me shoot a whole clip. Firepower in this coalition. We just turned the field into a demolition. It was desolate, but I had premonition. I was training for war, every exhibition, every extra mission, every enemy listening. Get off my dick, I got bad intentions. Make it right every wrong, and I'm back with a vengeance. I show you the ropes. Peace in my town, I can show you the coast. Up in the shots if they wanted to smoke. If you know, then you know. Suited up, bitch, my whole team do the same. Don't you forget who created the game. Ready for war, I was born with grenades. The trenches where soldiers are made. Let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever. Let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever.
What's good, YouTube? Today on the agenda, I'm supposed to be doing this Longtail boat tour. It's a 2-hour tour. Waiting on the guide to come pick me up. I'm at the meeting point. So yeah, it's a hot one today. As you can see, I'm sweating. But this tour should be dope. You know, see how this go. Subscribe to the channel. Follow me on all social media platforms. Let's go. About to get on the boat. Guy in the white shirt, that's the guy. We on this tour. This is dope. This is dope. coming up? Buddhist temple? Catch you back up with my crew. This is dope though.
This is the biggest temple in Thonburi area with the biggest Buddha in Thailand. This temple is about 300 years old. 200 monks and 85 nuns stay in this temple. It's very big.
We at a Buddhist temple.
We're going to walk. Maybe we get together. Each one to be one. Most of the meal is coming from the people offerings. And for the people with offerings, it's on the way and then the monks finish to eat. We got only 1 hour each time. We start at 11 and have to finish before 12. After we just only drinking water and tea, coffee. Big meal. Meat.
Building looks crazy. Building looks crazy. Well, we got a Buddhist temple. You gotta be quiet because they're praying, see? Wow, this shit crazy. Look at this. You right up on it. You right up on it. It cost, the tour guide said it cost 20 million US to build. 20 million. There's a bunch of places. You got a bunch of people here. They selling souvenirs and everything here too. So it's wild, man. He's telling us a lot about the history of Thailand. But that statue costs 20 million to build. And they just finished it 3 years ago. It was under construction for 5 years. That's crazy. All that money. Feeding the fishes.
Okay, this way, let me show you.
Check this out. Coconut juice. Straight from the coconut. Yeah, this is the outro to the Longtail boat tour that I took in Bangkok. It was a good tour. The guide was cool. He was very knowledgeable. Took us to a Buddhist temple. We had to be very quiet because they was in there praying and everything. The architecture of those temples is just amazing, man. Some of the best work I've seen mankind has done. the whole tour was just dope, man. It didn't cost very much to do it. It was a 2-hour tour. I mean, I recommended anybody who's in Bangkok to go on that tour. So yeah, that's pretty much it with that tour. This is the outro to that. So please like and subscribe to the channel. Follow me on all social media platforms. Until next time, peace.